Hella 357200001, ValueFit 7 inches driving beam light. The Hella 357200001, ValueFit 7 driving beam light is an exceptional product that combines durability, functionality, and style. As a product marketing expert with extensive experience, I highly recommend this driving beam light to all car owners. One of the standout features of the Hella 357200001 ValueFit 7 is its impressive waterproof design. This makes it perfect for various weather conditions, ensuring that the light continues to perform optimally even in heavy rain or snow. Car owners can now drive with confidence, knowing that their driving beam light is well protected from water damage. The sleek black and silver color combination of the light adds a touch of sophistication to any car. It seamlessly blends with the vehicle's exterior, enhancing its overall aesthetics. Whether you own a classic car or a modern vehicle, this driving beam light is sure to complement its style. With a wattage of 12 watts, the Hella 357200001 ValueFi